There are some people who literally just do the same kind of post all the time, video after video after video, or it might just be everything's a text post or whatever. And you kind of get audience fatigue, get fed up with seeing the same thing coming up. And the other thing I would say is that different people assimilate in different ways. So those people who like videos are only going to switch off if you're just doing text, and vice versa. So you need to appeal. So mix it. It's about 10 different styles of post you should really be using.
Oh, I'm trying to think of what they are. So I can think of video, I can think of text, I can think of polls. I'm lost. What are the other 7?
Sales.
Okay, yeah.
Educational. Positioning. Push, which is a different thing, which is just far too nuanced for me to go talking about today. And then you've got document posts.
Oh, yes.
And then you've got your kudos posts where you're giving shout outs to other people. Picture posts, yeah. Survey posts. I think I've gone over 10 now. Articles.